Different cooking surfaces can completely change how beef sears, browns, and tastes. Hey, I'm Chef Noah, and this is Beef 101. For today's experiment, we'll cook the same steak with the same seasoning for the same amount of time on 4 different surfaces and show you how the final results can differ. We're going to test a stainless steel pan, a non-stick pan, a cast iron pan, and a grill. Stainless steel heats quickly, making it great for building a deep brown crust. It's ideal for searing when you want to make a pan sauce. With stainless steel, patience is key. When the beef is ready to flip, it naturally releases from the pan. Cast iron holds heat very well and creates a bold crust that makes it easy to go from stove to the oven. A well-seasoned cast iron skillet will help the cooking process. Non-stick pans have a slick, non-reactive coating that prevents food from sticking. That means you often don't need to use oils or butters while cooking. Grilling adds a smoky flavor and beautiful grill marks. It allows you to get outside and keep your kitchen cool. So remember, stainless steel, fast, heat, great caramelization, great for sauces, and an excellent sear. Cast iron, intense crust, steady heat, and oven friendly. Non-stick, good if you're concerned about oils or butter. Grill, great smoky flavor, grill marks, and easy cleanup. Choose the right cooking surfaces and your beef will reward you with better flavor, texture, and browning. Class dismissed. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss another lesson. Also visit beefit'swhatsfordinner.com for more Beef 101 tips.